Yes. Good evening, Mr. Puneet. Your scale 3 interview is going to be on which date?
On 21st
Acha, acha. Good. In which place?
at Kapurthala, Punjab.
Good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to tell me about myself. My name is Puneet and I'm currently working at Bank of India. I have done my graduation from Ludhiana. Basically, I have done BTech in engineering, mechanical engineering. After that, I did my MBA in finance and marketing from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Coming to my family, I have two elder siblings who are married, and both of them are settled in New Zealand. My mother is a housemaker, and my father is a businessman. So
Acha,
that's
acha.
all about myself. If
Yeah.
there are any
You are going
queries,
to, yeah, you are going to attend interview in Punjab, and that
yes, sir.
too for Punjab. This scale 3 post is for with respect to one bank, or it is applicable for all banks?
For all
All
banks, sir.
RRBs. All RRBs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
All are aware.
so the
Yes, yes, yes.
mostly they will ask questions in your Punjabi itself or in your Hindi. Yeah. आप
Yes, sir.
um, आपको हिंदी में भी आंसर कर सकते हैं इफ यू आर मोर कंफर्टेबल. अच्छा, अभी ये बात बताइए, आपको
Okay.
प्रेजेंट कपूरथला ब्रांच में क्या पोजीशन में आप काम करते हैं? हेलो. व्हाट इज
अभी तो
व्हाट
मैं
इज
सर
दी?
मुंबई मुंबई में पोस्टेड.
अच्छा. अच्छा, यू आर दैट बॉय. यू आर वर्किंग इन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया.
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, यस सर.
Acha, you are working in Bank of India. Your wife is working in, say, Punjab
पंजाब
and the
गवर्नमेंट.
Punjab government. So you would like to come to this place because of that. Now you are with Bank of India. Good.
यस सर.
Please tell me, when did you join Bank of India? What are the places you have worked in Bank of India? What is the achievement you have made in Bank of India? What are the contributions you have made for Bank of India?
Yes sir. I joined Bank of India on 21st of September 2019 to IBPS. I was recruited as specialist officer in marketing department. So from 2019 till now, I worked at various locations. Firstly, I was in Ludhiana zone for 4.5 years. After that, I shifted to my currently posting that is in Mumbai. So in my tenure, I mostly worked in the RBCs, which are retail business centers, and I have worked as a like loan processing officer also, and I worked as a loan sourcing officer also. Like we
Good.
have to source the files from various channel partners, from branches, etc. And after that, we have to process also. Sometimes when the actual processing officers were not there.
Mhm.
Yes.
Acha.
So regarding achievements, so in 2022, I was the highest like sourcing marketing officer in my zone twice for consecutive months in February 2022 and March 2022.
Mhm.
After that, in the current zone, I am also in top five marketing officer.
Acha. Good.
Yes.
You are doing very well in marketing. Why do you want to come to our RRB scale 3?
So there are a number of reasons. Like currently, I'm in scale one position. So first of all is a like promotion, a career promotion. I'll be in scale three. Secondly, I have not like I didn't have any much experience of serving in rural areas because as a marketing officer, I am generally placed at urban location and metro locations only. So that was another reason. And thirdly, also I want to come to near my home. Like I'm married in this year only in the month of January. So my wife is working in with state government. So that is also another reason.
That's true. But then, if you are selected in scale 3 in RRB, is there any guarantee you will be posted in Punjab only?
No, there is no guarantee because my first, second, and third preferences are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, and Rajasthan, which are nearby Punjab.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
near,
is right.
yes,
That is good. That's
yes,
good. That is a
yes,
correct answer. Good.
yes.
Now, have you studied JA, IAB, CAAB exams?
No, sir, not yet.
Why have you not studied for all these things?
Uh,
Because, yeah,
yes,
why?
yes,
Because only if you study, we will know that you are interested much in banking. The way you are not studied about all these things, while it shows that you are a good performer as far as marketing is concerned, how far you are associating with banking, that is doubtful. So
oh,
you could have studied that, doesn't matter. Now, what do you know
yes.
about um, Punjab? There is a Punjab Grameen Bank.
Basically, sir, Punjab Grameen Bank started its journey in the year 1985. Initially, Punjab Grameen Bank was not Punjab Grameen Bank. It was basically merged from three banks, like Shivalik Kshatriya Bank, it's Firozpur, but like Kapurthala Bank, and one is Amritsar Gurdaspur Kshatriya Bank. So three banks merged and formed Punjab Grameen Bank. For so many years, the same bank started its operation. So in the year 2019, three banks like Punjab Grameen Bank, Malwa Grameen Bank, and Satluj Grameen Bank. Three banks are merged together to form Punjab Grameen Bank with effect from 1st of January 2019, which we are seeing nowadays as a Punjab Grameen Bank. So, talking about the number of branches, it's 446 branches as on 31st of March 2024, and spanning of 23 districts of Punjab with a like book size of total book business mix of 25,000 crore.
Hmm. So,
And it's
what is the
sponsored by
profit?
Punjab National Bank.
What is the net profit made by our Punjab Kapurthala Bank, Punjab Grameen
It's
Bank?
around one, it's around 140 CR.
Acha, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, you have been already all these days working in, say, urban areas. And now, if you come
Yes,
here as scale 3 man, mostly we will be posting you in rural areas as managers.
yes, sir.
What are the rural advances with which you are familiar?
Basically, sir, majority of the portion is the agriculture, like the KCCs
Hmm.
is the major chunk that RRBs are financing.
Correct.
Approximately 76% of the total advances are with agriculture that
Hmm.
PGB is funding.
Hmm.
So that's the main source of advances for Punjab Grameen Bank
No,
in
no, I
rural
am
area.
asking what is your exposure or knowledge to agriculture advances? How much you know? What are the different types of agriculture advances given by RRBs? Please speak about them.
Okay. RRBs can be firstly Kisan credit cards that are the KCC limits. Another is machinery term loans for the purchase of the machinery like reaper, land digger, etc., which are the farmers need on a like seasonal basis. Apart from that, for storing the food grain and for like cold storage facilities, for that, Grameen Bank also extended its advances. So I'm thinking about these advances.
No, but
Apart from
this answer is not sufficient. You must be able to talk very well about, say, KCC.
okay,
What is the procedure followed for processing of KCC? What are the conditions, features, and conditions of this KCC? Like that, you must be able to tell me. Understand?
okay,
you are not prepared on that, you must be able to tell fully about that. For example, I may even suggest you are going through the website of our bank, and from there go through each and every loan and talk about them few points. Can you tell me some
Okay.
points about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana?
Yes. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was started in 2015 by the Honorable Prime Minister in order for the financial inclusion in the rural areas. So basically, financial inclusion is the accessibility or providing the financial activities or facilities to the rural people. So for that, the PM started zero balance accounts for the rural people so that they can deposit their savings and also use the banking facilities on a larger scale. So as of now, I think there are more than 50 crore Jan Dhan accounts in our country with different banks.
Hmm. It's a
Yes.
good point. This point is correct. Good. Now, what do you know about MSME advances?
Basically, MSME advances are the loans given to the micro, small, and medium enterprises for their daily working capital requirements, or for purchase of machinery, for purchase of like godowns, for purchase of like any machines, for export credit. There are
Hmm.
fund based and non fund based, both advances. Fund based, like for giving directly the like money
Hmm.
to the MSMEs, and non-fund based are like a letter of credit, guarantees on behalf of the
Hmm.
MSMEs to the different authorities.
Hmm. See, with which bank our Punjab Grameen Bank has got ins- with which insurance companies they have arrangement, understanding.
Uh, First of all is Star Health,
Ah,
second is PNB MetLife.
PNB MetLife, correct. Care Health,
Yeah,
CARE
yeah,
Health, correct.
yes,
Yeah.
Care Health.
Then under general insurance,
Sorry, sir, I can't remember.
IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company, Future
Okay,
Generati
general,
Insurance Company.
if for Tokyo
Yeah,
and
1
future
minute.
general.
Hello, Prabha Varsan, tell me. Yeah, yeah, I am there in the Zoom only. I am conducting an interview now, after which we will go for the class. Link group ले लिया इतना वाटी link கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். I have given it to you along with your first message itself. Anyhow, I will send. I will post. அதேதான் same link. Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now, did you go through the Punjab Grameen Bank website? Why there is not mention about agriculture advances? Are they not giving agriculture advances because कुछ भी दिया नहीं उसमें? आपने देखा? Hello,
Yes,
did
sir.
you go through
We are,
the?
but
Did you did you
yes,
go
sir.
did you did you go
Yes,
through the website? Why there is
yes, sir.
not mention about any say agriculture advances here? Because
Sir,
their products may, yeah, are they giving about that? Where is it there? Loans, retail, PM Awas Yojana, four-wheeler, housing loan, education loan, mortgages, personal loan, gold loan only they are telling. Where is that, say, Kisan credit card and all? Perhaps most of the farmers in Kerala, Punjab are rich people, they may not take advance. Is that the reason?
no, sir. I think they haven't mentioned it over here. But
Because
uh,
in almost all other RRBs, if you go, you will have a
yes,
special
sir.
mention about agriculture advances. Here, there is no
Yes,
mention about it.
yes. But
Good, doesn't
more,
matter.
yes,
Yeah. Now, please tell me what is PM Awas Yojana?
PM Awas Yojana, basically it's a housing like scheme that is started by the National Housing Board, in
Mm,
which the government provides subsidy to the eligible borrowers for purchase of a first new house.
mm.
Like it's in the
What is the
four
subsidy
category.
element in the, what is the subsidy element?
It was ranged from 2.67 lakhs uh, till 2.67 lakhs. Yes,
No, no, 2.35 lakh.
2.35 lakh for like EWS, and LIG is 2.67 lakhs. I don't think now it is there. PMF
Now it is
Awas
not
Yojana.
there. Now I think they are
Yes,
not giving it. Yeah, you
yes,
are
it's
correct.
this
That
is
answer is
the
correct. Yeah,
yes.
that answer is correct. Now, can you tell me something about gold loan? What are the precautions you will take while processing gold loan?
Yes, sir. So the gold loan is basically a finance scheme in which the bank pledges the gold and give advance to the customer. So it's basically for any purpose, be it agriculture, be it personal, be it like business purpose. So for that, the interest rates are different. So the main precautions we have to do, see as a branch manager or a credit in charge are like the goldsmith that is the valuer should come to the branch to assess the like purity of the gold and to do the valuation purpose. Secondly,
Mm.
the package should be sealed one, which a normal person do not tamper. So if it got tampered, the official knows about it that it is tampered. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the type of charge created for gold loan?
It's
Security is
like
taken in which form?
security. I think we pledge the gold ornaments.
Good. You told correctly. What is a pledge?
Pledge is basically we take in the like security into our custody, but the ownership
Mm.
remains of the customer.
Mhm. Mm, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference between pledge and hypothecation?
Yes, sir. So the major difference, like I said, in pledge, the ownership remains with the customer, but in hypothecation, the ownership transferred to the bank.
No. Who said so? Even in
Actually,
hypothecation, the ownership is staying with the customer only. Only the charge in favor of the bank will be entered in the RC book of the vehicle.
that's
The
the ownership.
ownership
The
continues to be in the hands of the customer, possession also with the customer. That
possession.
is the difference.
Yes.
Possession
Okay.
is with the customer. Whereas in the case of
O-
pledge, possession is with the banker.
Okay. Right. So,
Now, you are working in Bank of India. Which proposals have you processed?
basically, sir, I process housing loans and vehicle loans.
So can you please tell me what are the conditions of a Bank of India housing loan? What are the documents you take from the customer? How do you
Yes, sir.
process it?
So, for processing a housing loan, we require basically two aspects. First is financial aspect. Second is property aspect. For the financial aspect, we took generally for a salaried person, we took salary slips from 16 or ITRs, and for self-employed person, we took ITRs balance sheets if applicable. Right. So on the basis of that, we assess the eligibility of the borrower, and from like property perspective, we took like the loan to value ratio of 75%. If the loan is above than 75 lakhs, 80% if the loan is between 35 to 75 lakhs. And if the loan amount is below 35 lakhs, we took 90% of the market value of the property.
Hmm. So what is the
Yes.
process of processing the proposal?
Uh, Firstly, we collect the documents and then we log in the file.
Mm,
After that, the proposal is processed based on the
mm,
policy and the like all the prerequisites.
mm,
After that, it is sanctioned. After the sanction, it is the mortgage is done. Like the property is
mm.
mortgaged with the branch, and the loan amount is disbursed.
Do you have any idea why nowadays what is the procedure followed for taking mortgage? Which type of mortgage is taken? What procedures are to be followed?
It's equitable mortgage.
Then after that, equitable mortgage means
So
taking the documents from the owner of the property. After that, I think
yes,
some more procedure is also there. What is that?
then the charge is being created with the revenue authorities.
Acha, good. What is the value for which the charge is created? Is it a token amount of 5,000 rupees or so, or is it
No, no,
based
no.
on the
All that
loan amount?
it is based on the loan amount. That is the total amount. If I took 50 lakhs of loan, the charge created in revenue authority will be of 50 lakhs.
Charge will be created for 50 lakhs, true, but the stamp
Yes.
duty, is it related to that or is it related to notional amount? This point nobody
For
has been able to clarify me. Yeah.
actually, in Punjab, basically the like for creating a charge to the revenue authority, we do not have to pay the stamp duty. We
Acha,
just
is it?
pay have to. Yes, sir.
Oh, acha, very good. Then it is okay. No problem.
Yes, yes,
Good.
yes.
Now, what do you know about, say, credit management? What are the aspects as a credit processing officer we should follow in order to see that the accounts are maintained properly? As a credit, what are the
Uh,
duties
uh,
and responsibilities of a credit officer?
Before the processing of the proposal or after the disbursement,
No,
like
both. You have to tell about
yes.
processing, after processing, and all that.
Okay. So before processing, we have to check basically the genuineness of the documents. Are all the documents are genuine or not? From various aspects like ITRs, we can check online, verify online. Same with Aadhaar PAN, we can verify online.
Mm,
The property papers we can check from the independent lawyers.
mm,
Like so, after processing and sanctioning of the loan, during disbursement and after disbursement, we should check that the transaction for which we have funded are done genuinely or not. And all
mm,
the money that we have funded are like is not diverted. The main
mm,
reason is that.
mm,
So after disbursement, we have to check the like the if we have given the payment for construction, like the same
mm,
house is constructed or not. It is
mm,
constructed in phase-wise manner or not. Is there any
mm,
diversion of funds or not, like that? And after that, we have to check on monthly basis if the loan going good, if the customer is paying EMI on time or not. If not, then we have to discuss with the customer that what is the issue, why is not paying, so
mm,
that the account is not turned into an NPA.
mm,
So I think that is the credit management we have to do.
mhm. Yeah, one minute. Yeah, one minute. Kindly hold on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
நான் இப்ப கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன்டா. நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிடுறேன். 1 hour, 2 hours. கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன்டா. நான் அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன். ஆமா, கிளாஸ். நான் வந்து நான் 2 மணி நேரம் முன்னாடி பண்ணேன். நீ இப்ப போன் பண்ற. ஏண்டா? சரி, நான் அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன். Yeah. Acha. Mr. Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think you need to be enlarging your knowledge relating to banking, so many other areas, because I have not gone deeper into that area. For example,
Okay.
what do you know about debt service coverage ratio?
That survey coverage ratio is basically the ratio which depicts that is the entity or the like firm able to service his debt, like pay the debt on time. Should I tell the formula?
Yeah, formula you have to tell.
Okay. So the basic formula is like the equity plus depreciation plus the interest served on the existing term loans divided by the total EMI of the loans, secured loans.
Good. This point you have been able to tell me nicely. Now, can you
Yes.
tell me some current affair news relating to banking? What is happening in banking? What is the current affair news you can remember?
The very hot topic of banking news is RRB is going to be merged very soon. So there will be one state, one RRB that is on the like proposal of the government.
Correct.
Second news is like the chief economist of PM office, Mr. Vivek Debroy. He has just passed away a
Correct.
few days back,
Correct.
and thirdly, the repo rate and reverse repo rate is not being changed from the last 3 months, 3 or 4 months. So that's another news
Are,
I remember.
are you sure it is only 3 or 4 months?
Um, yeah, I think it's more, but I can't remember the exact
It is for
timeline.
nearly 2 years.
2 years.
24 months or 22 months it has not been changed. Yeah, doesn't
Okay.
matter. No
Yes, yes.
problem. When will RBI revise or increase the repo rate?
During its meeting for the MPC, Monetary Policy Committee meeting,
Under which circumstances in economy will they increase the repo rate?
uh, and they like to manage the inflation,
Hmm.
RBI basically increase or decrease the repo rate
Hmm.
to manage the inflation
When,
basically.
when the inflation rate is,
When the inflation rate, I think uh, the range is between 4.5 to 6.5. I'm not sure.
no, no. See, what is the monetary policy committee's objective? They want to have the inflation from the range of 4% plus or minus 2,
Okay,
2% to 6% maximum. So only when the inflation goes above 6%, they will be exercising alarm and then they will be increasing the inflation rate. Sorry,
okay.
the repo rate. Repo rate. So now, what is the inflation rate now roughly?
Now I
Now I think
inflation uh, about six.
any pardon, above 6 is not an answer. 5 point something. What is that?
I don't know, sir.
Sir, 5.49.
Correct. In September,
Yes.
Okay,
a Reuters poll of 52 economists, it rose to 5.49 in September, higher than forecast. But now, no, no. It is likely to raise to 5.81 in October. What has happened in October? The details will be known by the time you go for the interview. So please get to know that. Okay.
okay, sir.
India inflation rate will be like that. Now, regarding definition of micro industry, small industry, then medium industry, can you tell me what it is?
Yes, sir. So micro industry is basically whose the total turnover is less than 5 CR, and
Hmm.
medium, sorry, CR, sorry, I think
No, it is
I've
wrong.
just forgot.
See,
I just
it is
forgot.
wrong. It is wrong.
Yes, yes.
Micro means investment in plant and machinery less than 1 crore and
Less than one.
turnover less than 5 crore. Similarly,
Yes.
small industry means investment in plant and machinery less than 10 crore and turnover less than 50 crore.
50 crores.
Yeah. Medium means
Medium
investment in plant and
gigantic
machinery less than 50 crore and turnover less
50
than
crores.
250 crore.
No,
This alone will not do.
250
They will
crores.
ask you
Yes.
about CGT MSE scheme. CGT
Oh,
MSE scheme. Now the coverage is up to rupees 5 crores. Loans up to 5 crores are covered. So please get to know about that. And there is a report in Hindu and also Times of India about finance ministers mention about increasing the guarantee coverage for MSME industries. So please go through that also.
okay.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Other
sir.
than that,
Yes, sir.
you are managing your questions nicely, no problem. But then your awareness about economy, about banking, about Bank of India, about Punjab Grameen Bank has to be enlarged. You should increase your
Okay, sir.
awareness and the alertness with which you are answering the questions. In fact, your
Yes,
performance
sir.
is much better than the majority of the candidates who are sitting here because they don't know anything about banking. They don't talk much about it. Your your answering is good, but this is not sufficient for scale 3 position.
Yes, sir.
Scale 3 position, you must be thorough with your credit management. Then
Okay.
NPA recovery, SURFACE, insolvency, bankruptcy code, so many other areas. I will test those questions in your next interview. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay.
best wishes. You need
Yes,
to
sir.
prepare about, you please go through about, only thing is, have I given you CTDI magazine or not? CTDI magazine.
I don't think so, sir. No,
No,
sir.
I have not given. No, 1 minute.
No.
I think I have forgotten to give you. Now I will give it to you and also to others, say in our group itself. But that is not required for RRB PO candidates because that is very high level. You have to go through CTDI magazine, and I
Yes,
have
sir.
given just now Banking Update magazine to you. Hello. In our
Okay, sir.
group, I have given Banking Update magazine to you. Please go through that and then 1 minute. I will give you this CTDI magazine. It's a very, very good magazine. It tells about the rules and regulations that are being brought by Reserve Bank of India, what is happening in the economy, general knowledge, many other things they will be telling you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please go through that one. 1 minute. CTDI. Just a minute. I'm not able to get it now. Open in desktop. Just a minute. Hold on. Yeah. Editing. Find CTDI. CTDI. Yeah, I got it. I'm giving you CTDI link in our WhatsApp group now. So you please download that and start reading at least latest 3 months magazines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For scale 2, for scale 2 and 3 candidates, CTDI. Please go through that. Best wishes. I
Yes.
would expect your interview to be much more active much more contributing so that you are assured of the
Yes,
job.
sir.
Best wishes. Your interview was not bad, but I
Thank
will
you.
give you some 65 to 70 marks. That may not be sufficient because much
Yes,
depends
sir.
on the cutoff over the mark you have scored in the written test and also in the interview. In the interview, even 1 mark counts a lot. Even one
Yes,
mark
sir.
counts a lot. So, best
Yes.
wishes. Please prepare seriously on these lines. Like you
Yes.
go through that CTDI magazine from which month I have given. I think I must have given you from October, September, August, July. 4 months you read.
Yes, sir. Ji, sir.
Similarly, our banking update I have given you from November, October, September, August, July. 5 months you read. Lot
Yes,
of
sir.
things you will get from there. Lot of economy and banking related questions. I am not able to remember them, so I have not asked. Please go through them, prepare yourself well,
Mm.
and
These
yeah,
are for sir current.
mainly RRB people, they will lay emphasis on NPA recovery and also development of the bank. Development of the bank you can do because you are a marketing person.
Yes, sir.
Canvassing of new deposit accounts, canvassing of new loan accounts that you can do. But your knowledge regarding agricultural loans has to be improved.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Okay.
And you need to know about NABARD.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, one question. So, for the enhancing the knowledge, I should read about this NPA recovery, credit
No, read
management,
see
and
credit
like,
mainly for you credit management. Then there will be
yes, sir.
certainly general questions like say, how will you manage a branch where people are not cooperating? How will you talk in a new
Yes, sir.
place where you do not know the local people? That questions will come that you can manage. That's not a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Best wishes.
So,
I
for
would
like,
suggest I would suggest you are taking the assistance of your wife and sitting with her and getting to know about accountancy,
yes,
credit
sir.
management,
Yes, sir.
balance sheet. In fact, in the recent interview, there was a question: how will you read a balance sheet? What is the
Okay.
first line of balance sheet? Last line of balance sheet? Like that, they are asking, Baba. This happened
Okay.
not in banking. This happened not in banking interview, but in EPFO.
Okay.
Even I was not knowing the answer. I have been conducting interviews for 5 years, but still I wasn't aware. The first line means the current assets.
Yes, sir.
The last line is the capital and reserves.
Okay.
I have posted a few videos on that also recently. Please watch. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Sure.
And there
Sure,
can
sir.
be a
Sure.
question to you about adjusted net bank credit and all. I have posted videos also. You people are
Yes, sir.
not watching the links I am giving in the group. If only you watch preparing using them, your knowledge will improve considerably. Best wishes. I
Yes,
wish
sir.
you
Thank you, sir.
success. Next time you come, you must score minimum 85 marks from me.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Best
Thank
wishes.
you so much.
Bye.